Hey guys, we are going to install low range gearing in the Land Rover Defender. In our last video, we put lights in the Land Rover Defender and the Bronco. So go check that out too. We found that the low range gears is a great upgrade if you want realistic crawl speeds. It helps maintain a slow scale speed while keeping the vehicle from stopping when it hits small obstacles. The stock higher gears are better getting around in between obstacles, as the low range gears are very slow. The stock gears are probably more versatile for all-around driving. It depends on what you want to use it for. It was a fun install and it took around 20 minutes to put in.